don't know. Tad, how good was it?
What?
How long was it?
How long was it?
Yeah.
Last year.
Ready to go?
Yup.
You ready? Shoot time.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
What?
There's something moving in the woods. Look.
Like this.
I'm right on it. Look at this guy.
Listen. Comes out. What you got?
Yeah. Whoa!
Crazy.
I smoked him.
Did you?
I would have gotten right behind his shoulder.
You did?
I'm serious.
Calm down, calm down.
Thank you, God. Yes.
Hey. Did you get him?
Did you get him, buddy? I may have flinched a little bit, but.
Oh my god. I'm freaking crying.
You're good. That's your first bug, dude. You're good, man. Nice work, dude. That's a big buck, man. Look at the camera. Hey, dude. That's a big buck, man. That's a nice one. You're good, dude. That was a good buck, dude. Let's hold on. Hold on. Let's give him a second, okay? He's dead. He fell over, but let's let the Lord do his thing. Dude, he was sitting there just like wiggling his tail. Yeah, I didn't know. Bam. Well, that's the way he ran off, and he was wiggling his tail. I was like, good job, dude. Huh?
Can I hold the gun over there?
Yeah, we'll take it over. Dude, good job. He said I smoked him. I'm like, ah.
Which way did it go? Right here?
You gotta go find him, bro. He got shot him, so it's all up in him. Where? Said he shot him back, so it's all up in him. But he did. Yeah, I touched him. Good deer. Yeah. Find him yet, Luke?
Nope.
Look around.
Huh?
Look around the creek. Fuck. That's a
my god!
Slow down. Poke him first. Yep. Bro, that's a good deer, Dan. Look at him. Nice work, dude. Nice work.
I need to pull him out.
Here. Yeah? Yeah.
He's a big body.
Heck yeah, dude. Here. Look at that. You can hold them up a little higher? Is that your first buck, buddy?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good one. He ran about 100 yards.
He's an 8-pointer.
Yep.
Nice.
Any final words?
Thank you, God.
Yep.
And thank you, dear, for letting me kill you.
Yep. Gotta say your thanks always. All right, let's go get the buggy.
Okay.
Hey, give me some. Good job, buddy. Good deer. We got a nice one.
All right, buddy. Good job, man.
Walker, put some shoes on. Come out here.
Oh my gosh, he's a big one.
I know, he fell in the creek.
How many is it?
It's an 8-pointer.
Oh my gosh, you got him bright and early, didn't you? Oh my goodness, look at him. Yeah. So I'm kind of sad, but good job, buddy.
Oh, mother. She's like, oh, that's kind of sad, but good job.
You fell in the creek?
I don't know where my keys are in my truck.
You were down in the redneck mine?
Yeah. He shot him with a fence post star.
The telephone
there.
poles.
Yeah.
And he went down in the beet field, or the beet field over there, and went down. And then we sat there and waited for a while. We got up, went over to the creek, and then Johnny went down there to see where he was, and sure enough, he fell right down in the creek.
All right. Is your set? You got one last year too, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a little spike.
A little spike?
A little button buck.
Well, he's got a little spike.
Hi, buddy. Why?
See the deer?
Look at the deer.
Look at the deer.
Sarah,
Look at his antlers, they're cool.
Look at
We were
Brian.
sitting there,
Smile.
and daylight came. Hi, baby.
got it.
Oh my gosh, buddy. Good job,
He's an
Blue.
old deer. He's 4 years old.
He is. Do you see the deer?
Nah. Right.
More bucks coming up here.
You got your water?
One was his
You wanna go see the deer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here.
I saw
go
a
see
good
the
buck
deer, buddy.
yesterday across the road down there at the gate, chasing
Look
like
at that
2 or 3
thing.
does, and then walked
Okay, you
over
like
that
it?
hill.
That's a big buck.
When we pulled in last night,
Yeah.
Wanna
You touch his
it?
antler?
the gravel,
Hold his antlers?
the first right.
No.
No.
Peeled right to
Okay.
the right. Two of them.
Well, they're up there because they're eating that corn.
Yeah, they were, and they like when they ran off, man, there was like
Rocco, do you
Yeah.
like the book?
big old deer. We're gonna find my keys in my truck.
I gotta find my keys for the mower.
Oh, here it is. Can you find your mower?
Dad, Dad, yeah, it's an 8-pointer. It's the same place that my dad smoked his deer.
Uh-huh.
Like where he shot it, this is where the deer was standing.
Yeah.
At the same place.
Johnny, need help?
No, he doesn't need help.
You come here. Here, I'll get you one, Wyatt. Oh man, he stinks. Johnny, I can record.
They got it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The bud from the mountain.
2, 3. That's as high as you gotta go, I think. Okay, he's off the ground. Go look up, bud. Huh? Get some testosterone.
Look, smile with it.